my name is Kovilamani Subramania. Today I choose Unit 3 Pre-Number Concept or Early Mathematical Concept. In early childhood education, mathematical concepts are introduced in a way that align with children's natural curiosity and developmental stages. These concepts often build a foundation for later mathematical understanding. Some of the earliest mathematical concepts in ECE are such as counting and number recognition. Young children begin to recognize number and understand the concept of counting. They may start counting objects while they are playing or while they are out in the supermarket and somewhere in the school. They start to count objects like blocks, toys, and whatever they see in front of them. Then gradually they understand the number represents the quantities. Number 2 is pattern. Children tend to recognizing and creating patterns in early maths concept. Children might engage with activities like arranging colored blocks, identifying or repeating patterns in their environment. Number 3 is shapes and geometry. Children are introduced to basic shapes such as square, circle, triangle, and rectangle. They explore the characteristics of these objects or these shapes through play and manipulation of physical objects such as ball, books, and so on. Measurement. Early experiences with measurement often involve concepts like length, weight, and volume. Children might compare the size of object or use a non-standard units like blocks to measure things. They might compare a ball. This is big and this is small. They might compare a book. This is a very thick book, this is a thin book, or as this is very weight, this is a lighter. They can compare things around them. Number 5 is sorting and classifying. Sorting objects by color, size, or type is one of the first way of children start to organize their world of mathematics. These help them understand the concept of classification and categorization. Now, next is comparing quantities. Concept is like more than, less than, same, different are introduced. Children begin to understand these comparative relationships and develop a basic sense of quantity. While mostly when they are playing, when they have a blocks, they compare the blocks. I have a lot, I have more than you, I have lesser than you. This is the way they learn comparing quantities. Next is one-to-one correspondence. This refers to the understanding that each object being counted corresponds to one number. It is considered a fundamental skill in counting and numeracy. Okay, these concepts are typically introduced through hands-on activities, songs, games, and interactive play, which help young children to develop their mathematical thinking in a fun and engaging way. The goal is to lay the groundwork for more complex math skills as children grow. That's all from me. Thank you.